We need to stabilize the upper slope immediately. Agreed. Get the dozers positioned to the north side.
The survey markers confirm the stabilization points.
All right, move the excavators to Sector 4. We start digging at 0800.
Bring the tractor up slowly, watch the edge.
Next side.
Okay, clear path on this side, keep moving.
Quick, cover the cement! It's coming too fast, we can't stop it!
Secure the drainage structures first.
Yes, engineer. Moving the blocks now.
It's breaking! Get back!
We need a stronger solution.
Ensure the reinforced foundations are secure before we lay the next layer of aggregate.
We're on schedule for the first section, engineer.